nature loves to analyze, to say what's right, what's wrong, who's good, who's bad. It's not a problem, but the problem is when analysis becomes judgment. When you use your nature with tolerance, you stop dividing and start understanding. Wisdom isn't about being right. It's about seeing clearly without closing your heart. So today, don't rush to judge. Pause, understand, and let compassion think with you. This is day 22 in my 100-day journey understanding inner being, creating inner happiness. Thank you so much for your listening. Goodbye. See you tomorrow.